We are American Appliance Repair. We are a family-owned and operated appliance repair company. After years of working for other appliance repair companies, Josh and his wife Cheyenne took the leap of faith and created their own home appliance repair. They offer that hometown feeling. They offer dryer vent cleaning, washer and dryer repair, refrigerator and freezer repair, oven and stove repair, new appliance pickup and installation, and same-day service. Josh has a wealth of mechanical knowledge which enables him to diagnose and repair almost any appliance out there. Some of the pictures that you're looking at as we present are before and after shots of jobs that Josh has completed. And you could see that a lot of it just happens to everyday wear and tear. And at the least opportune moment, your refrigerator could go on the fritz Thanksgiving morning, and all of a sudden, you can't use it. Josh will come out and give you that immediate same-day service. I know our presentation is rather short, and we thank you for that, because to be honest with you, there's not a whole lot to say about appliance repair until it happens to you at that very last moment.
You got a lot to say.
It's a lot to say. Thank you.